what is this? Hey, do y'all see how this is blending with my hair? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I have not been doing a lot of intros lately, but I had to come give y'all one today because what is this? What is this slayage? I'm shook that this is, well, it's not totally synthetic. It's human hair blend. But either way, do y'all see how this is blending with my hair? That's the blend. I have been waiting so long for a brand to give us a Yaki straight. Well, my first wig did give me a Yaki straight U-part wig, but I've been wanting something more of the V-part style in a Yaki straight style. And for less than $30 at that, or maybe a little bit over. Either way, it's inexpensive. As you can see, I'm very hyped about this unit. So I'm just gonna get into reviewing it and letting y'all see how I install and all that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. You might as well.
All right, y'all, so this is from Outre. This is from Outre's Big Beautiful Hair Leaveout collection. This is Dominican Blowout 22. It does have combs around the perimeter and it does have adjustable straps in the back. And it's got these little, like the lines they put in it that I cut out, they are like a silicone clear thing. So you could leave the lines in there, but I just think that's weird. So I cut them out as I usually do any U-part wig. I did 2 anchor braids in a V. And y'all, this video is short and to the point because there's really nothing I can add to it. I tried to go back and make it longer because I ain't gonna stun on y'all. I made this video a year ago. I just kept forgetting to put it out. I put it out on my TikTok and just never got around to the YouTube. Like literally I had this wig March of last year, but here we are. And yes, I still have the wig, but no, I didn't wear it all the time, so it's still in good condition. I am fumbling around with that middle part because I've talked about this before. I got to offset it with those feet, but I got it together. You know what I'm saying? Look at that hair. Look at that blend. It is amazing. It barely looks synthetic, like it's giving. It is human hair blend, by the way, and it really is giving like a good, nice quality synthetic. Like if you wanted a U part that's in the Yaki straight, kinky straight form, but you don't want to pay for like a full human hair version, go get this. Like if you don't hear nothing else from this video, go get this wig. Like today. The tangling and shedding was minimal, and if you take it off at night and keep it packaged well and everything, it should last you a good long time. I love the length. It's like not too long, not too short. I love the style it came in. I didn't have to do anything with that. It's just a look, and I can't get over the blend, y'all. It just blended effortlessly. If you want it, the link is in my description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.